Alright, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about some things I got from OEM tools and a couple other things. So let's get the camera turned around and get into it. Alright, first thing is this infrared thermometer. Yes, I already have one. Nico sent me one to do a video on, but I gave it to my son, so I bought me another one. There's all the numbers on it. I'm going to show you everything, and then we'll get it, open up the boxes or packages and everything, and then we'll get into it better. Next thing is, I don't know if anybody knows what these are. These are little bit holders. And you clip it to your tool bag or, you know, wherever you want to put it. You put all your different bits in there that you're going to use. That way you don't have to have them in your pocket, your shirt pocket or your pants pocket. You don't have to worry about dropping them. You just clip them in here, and when you need one, take it out, put it in your impact driver and use it. When you need a different one, put it back, get the one you need, and there you go. It's pretty handy. I mean, this package is obviously already open. Now this, yes, I've already shown one of these. But again, my son needed it for his job, so I gave him mine and then realized, well, I might as well get me another one. So I bought another one. And of course, I'll open the package here in a minute so you can see what it is. All right, let's move it over. You see what this is. And let's get the packages open and show you a little closer, or a little better. All right, here's the thermometer. It comes with a little booklet. Everybody knows that. Comes with one of these. These are cool to stick in AC vents to check the temperature. Then it also obviously comes with this. Now it's so bright in here you can't really tell, but it does have, you see, it does have a light, as you can see on there. Well, the light just cut off, everything just cut off. See the light's on, you can see it in the corner there. You can turn it off. Just hold this button here in and it turn the light off. Here's all your information on it if you want to know that, if it'll focus on it. Like I said, they did not give me this one. I bought this one. I like the other one. My son likes the other one, so I figured I'd buy one from him. Pretty cool. All right, here we go. I'm not going to explain a lot of this. You can go back to the other video and watch it. But like I said, I gave the one I had to my son, so I bought me another one. And you know, this was not a sponsored video, or the other one. I actually bought two of them. These are handy to have for chasing down shorts and whatnot. Like I said, go watch the other video. I'll put a link to it if I can remember. And you can watch it. Hopefully my son's getting some use out of it. Hopefully I will. We'll see. Let's get on to the next one. All right, next up we have the no spill funnel. This goes on there. It's just a lid. Here's the funnel. I'm sure most of you know what this is. This goes in here to stop it up. Now this was wrapped in like clear plastic in a package and stuck down in here and it was stuck in there so tight. I don't know why they done that, but it was stuck in there so tight. I had to take a screwdriver and put it in here and tap it out. They shouldn't have done that. But anyway, here's all your adapters. I'll show you all these real quick. This is what they do here. And it goes on your radiator cap, or your radiator. I'm sure everybody knows how to use these. Let's see, hold on just a minute. I'll bring the camera down here and show you all the adapters. Okay, there we go. That way I don't have to hold them all up one by one. There you go. Get all kind of different angles, different adapters. It's cool. You use this to burp the cooling system too, not AC, but the cooling system. Get the air out of it. Pretty good. Now this, like I said, this is an OEM. This is the cheaper one. They have one that's the funnel is green, and I think all the adapters is green. And it's a little more. I think it's like $40, 40 something. This one was 21. I don't know. The other one, I think they call it a professional one. And it may even have different adapters. I don't know. But hopefully this one will work for what I need it for. I got to do a Jeep. So hopefully it'll work. So I'm going to show you all the little adapters. Like I said, this here is just a stopper to stop the funnel up. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. I hope you like it. Oh yeah, by the way, I am wearing your hat. My son gave me this hat. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty comfy too. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Hope you like it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.